Taipei Intelligent Machinery and Manufacturing Technology Show, iMTduo, is one of the most important smart manufacturing exhibition platforms in Asia. It presents the full breadth of the industry supply chain and attracts numerous domestic and foreign buyers.
Taipei exhibition is at top level. I was surprised of being many exhibitors, a lot of companies, and very specialized in machinery.
The companies in Taiwan are fast developing. They can be very much in touch with, let's say, European companies.
iMTduo displays key components of smart manufacturing and provides buyers all-round total solutions.
这次展出的产品结合人机界面互动的部分，可以让客户一次了解从生产到完成的成品中间的数值跟数据，更确切地掌握产品的状况。
Taiwan is recognized as a very important producer of machines. They showed me a very interesting solution for a drilling machine.
Taiwan's intelligent machinery industry consistently provides superior quality products and services, which enable the industry to obtain long-term affirmation and support from international buyers.
Taiwanese product quality is really high, and they have a good reputation in our market. I think it's growing fast according to the other countries.
We work with some Taiwanese companies, maybe near to 20 years. The prices and the quality ratio is very nice.
iMTduo Summit was held for the first time in 2018. Domestic and foreign industry experts and scholars were invited to explore the industry's development trends. iMTduo is an outstanding platform allowing buyers and exhibitors to find the best cooperating partners and expand their markets.
The machinery industry is one of the more exciting industries in Taiwan. Taiwanese companies are very aggressive in trying to become international. They like to work with companies from all around the world.
客人来说的话，询问度每一天都陆陆续续人数都会往上提升。
I'm very happy to work with the Taiwanese company. Good quality and good service.
这几天下来，各国的买主都会来参观，包括新加坡的、马来西亚的、泰国，然后还有一些像澳洲、埃及的。
We look forward to seeing you again at Taipei Intelligent Machinery and Manufacturing Technology Show in 2020.